Good morning. This is Teacher LM and welcome back to our math class. So today is Monday, December 7, 2020. Okay, let's spell Monday. Monday I spell Monday. Monday. Okay? Monday. Monday. Okay. Did you enjoy your weekend? I hope you did. And did you eat your breakfast? Okay, I hope you did also. So today we're going to study a new lesson. But before that, let's do the review first. Okay, last time we studied about the days of the week. So how many days of the week? There are 7 days of the week. The first day of the week is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So these are the days of the week. Again, class, what are the days of the week? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So these are the days of the week. Okay, so this morning we are going to learn how to count numbers. Okay, so let's start with 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Great job. Again, kids, one more time. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Good job. Okay, now let's start. Okay, so this morning we are going to learn 3 numbers. Okay, 3 numbers. So let's start. How many pens are there? Can you guess how many? Okay, so there are 30. So there are 30 pens. So how do you spell 30? 30, I spell Thirty. 30. One more time, how do you spell 30? 30, I spell Thirty. 30. Next, how many hearts are there? There are 31 hearts. How do you spell 31? 31, I spell Thirtyone. Again, one more time, kids. Thirtyone. 31. Next, how many stars are there? There are 32 stars. How do you spell 32? 32, I spell Thirtwo. Again, class, how do you spell 32? Thirtwo. 32. Okay, how about this one? How many oranges are there? There are 33 oranges. How do you spell 33? 33, I spell Thirtyree. 33. Okay, now let's practice. Direction, match the number to the correct words. Okay, 32. Which is 32, class? Okay, let's match. There you are. So 32. Thirtwo. Next, number 33. Where is 33? It's here. So 33, I spell Thirtyree. Last number, 31. So 31, I spell Thirtyone. Good job. Okay, now let's practice more. So how many circles? Let's read the direction, count and match the number to the correct objects. Okay, So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay, there are 31 marbles. Next one, let's count how many is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay, so there are 32 marbles. Okay, the last one. Okay, how many oranges are there? Do you still remember? There are 33 oranges. Okay, nice one. Okay, class, so that's all about our lesson for this morning. I hope you learned how to count number 31, 32, and 33. Have a nice day, kids. See you again this afternoon.